NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.3, Question number 3. If tan A is equal to 3 by 4, then we have to prove that sin A times cos A is equal to 12 by 25. Answer. We are given tan A is equal to 3 by 4. Let us take the LHS. LHS is sin A times cos A. Multiply and divide by cos A. LHS is equal to sin A into cos A into cos A by cos A. We can write sin A by cos A as tan A and cos A into cos A as cos square A, which is 1 by secant square A. We know that from the identity secant square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. Therefore, we can write secant square A as 1 plus tan square A. That implies LHS is equal to tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Now let us substitute the given tan A is equal to 3 by 4 in this expression. That is equal to 3 by 4 by 1 plus tan A is 3 by 4 whole square. That is equal to 3 by 4 by 1 plus 3 square by 4 square is 9 by 16. That is equal to 3 by 4 by, in the denominator we can take 16 as LCM. 16 plus 9 by 16, that is equal to 3 by 4 into 16 plus 9 is 25, 25 by 16 into 16 by 25. 4 times 1 and 4 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12, 12 by 25, which is equal to the RHS. Hence, we have proved that sin A into cos A is equal to 12 by 25 if tan A is equal to 3 by 4.